Hello everyone. So we have another property for sale. So this one, no? 338 square meters. Tax declaration. So dili pa siya titulado, guys. Pero nindot kayo. Very nice and very ideal for boarding house or even a commercial or business. So property is beside of the municipal gym of Balilihan, Bohol. So this is the back portion of the Balilihan municipal gym. So then very close adjacent the gym is the municipal hall or city hall of the gym. So this is the property, guys, no? There are so many bamboos, approximately 15 meters wide. 15 meters wide frontage. So this is good for investment, guys. You know, it's really in the center of the Balilihan. So Balilihan is just only approximately 15 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. So very close, guys, no? Then 5,000 pesos per square meter. So regarding the negotiation, guys, if you want to negotiate, let's negotiate, because I know the owner is this is a rush sale. They need for medication, no? Pa-check up ba? So they need the money. So this is the you know, kuan lang, guys, anong tawag dito, lupa, yung nasa baba yung lupa, pero may mga bahay na sa likod hanggang doon. Hindi na masyado makalapit sa bahay yung dalawang according to my relative. This is owned by my relative. It's on the after the coconut tree, so somewhere like that, no? He has the survey right now. He is in Talibon, but actually, if you are really willing to buy this property, so we can get all the necessary documents for selling. So this is very good, guys, because you just directly apply for a title. No capital gain, no documentary, stamp tax. You just buy this for investment. It's very nice, no? I don't know how to go down, but I think there's so many kanang gibutangan ng basura, guys, garbage. So I think if you buy this property, you are able to develop, no? So from here is already the front of the public market. So that is the public market. So we'll turn around later, no? So again, the size of the property is 338 square meters. .338 square meters beside of the building of the gym in Balilihan. So from the building, no, let's from the building, okay, we can walk here, no? There's already the municipal hall. So municipal hall, guys. So nindot kayo ni, guys. And the center. Hospital man na ninyo diya, ma'am, no? Ma'am, hospital man na diya na, no? Kana o center na ninyo dire?
Dili. Munisipyo ni, sir.
Munisipyo ni. Ya kini de.
Kauban na sa munisipyo.
Kauban. Di na center, asa ni hospital ninyo dire?
Dira to, sir.
Dito
sa simbahan, sir.
Dapit sa simbahan. Kani kauban ito it's kuan so anak ra, guys, no? So this is the municipal hall. Then if you walk here, no, so tuara dito ang property. So if we walk here, guys, we just shortcut. Doggy. Okay. Shh. Okay. It's already the public market, guys. You will see the public market already, huh? So the municipal hall, so very close, no? That's the municipal hall. Police station, public market. And here comes the gym. So this is the gym, part of the gym ni guys, ipabangan sa Alwilier. So rented by Alwilier. So see, and the property is there. Oh, diba ka? Can see that. Wala natin magian. The back of this is the gym. Bulanon roasted sa bani. Kay magian dire. So nandyan talaga siya sa sentro, guys. Very nice ang property, no, for sale. Likod, no? Wala tayong madaanan papalikod. But and the church is there. So doon po yung property, oh. Ito yung puno. And then so that's the church here, and the hospital is also there. So actually the property is very nice for investment, guys. Pwede rin mo, you can just let them sleep the property. Patulogon mo lang yan, lumalaki pa ang value dyan kasi nandito yan sa sentro and the center. Okay, for inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So ito po yun ang side ng gym. So palikod nandun ang property. Sa likuran itong Loyalty Coffee, Loyalty Food Extension. Sa likod dito nandun ang property. Okay. Yun po. So maganda yan, investment kung gusto kayo ng investment. I repeat, 338 square meters for 5,000 pesos per square meter, located here in Balilihan, Bohol, Poblasyon Balilihan, Bohol. So nandyan sa sentro, walang problema sa sasakyan, going to Tagbilaran, sakay ka lang dyan. May mga public transportation, marami. Okay. So the public market, no? Okay, again, thank you very much, and God bless to all. If you have properties for sale, just submit it to us, then we will process transfer of title. Bye.